If you're seeing a Steam login error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step, so you can get back into your account fast. Steam login problems usually fall into two categories. Either it's a credential issue, like a wrong password or Steam Guard problem, or it's a network communication issue between your PC and the Steam servers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check what's causing the problem and what to do next. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. All right, let's jump into it. The first thing you should do is check whether Steam itself is having problems. Open your browser and go to steamstat.us. This site shows the live status of Steam services. If you see that Steam Community or Web API is down, under maintenance, or having major issues, then the login error may not be your fault at all. Steam maintenance often happens on Tuesdays, so if that's the case, the best solution may simply be to wait and try again later. If Steam services are working fine, the next thing to check is your VPN. Steam can block login attempts from VPN IP addresses because it treats them as suspicious activity or a possible account hijacking. If you're using a VPN, turn it off completely, disconnect from it, and then try logging in again. Many users are surprised how often this alone fixes the issue. Next, let's refresh your DNS. Sometimes your computer has outdated or corrupted network data that prevents Steam from connecting properly. To do this, press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This helps clear old network records and can fix connection errors that interfere with Steam login. Now we'll reset Steam's local configuration without affecting your games. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type steam://flushconfig and press Enter. Steam may ask you to confirm the reset. This action refreshes local installation files and login-related data, but it does not delete your game library. After that, restart your computer and try logging into Steam again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to check for a corrupted local login token. Go to your Steam installation folder. By default, this is usually located at C Program Files 86, Steam. Inside that folder, find the config folder and delete it. Don't worry, Steam will recreate the necessary files when it launches again. Once you delete that folder, relaunch Steam and sign in with your username, password, and Steam Guard code if prompted. This can often fix broken login sessions and strange account authentication errors. If you still can't get in, try logging in through a web browser. Open the Steam website and attempt to sign in there. This is a very useful test because it helps you narrow down the cause. If you can log in on the website, then the issue is probably with your Steam client files or a local firewall on your computer. In that case, you may need to repair Steam, check antivirus settings, or allow Steam through your firewall. But if you also cannot log in on the web, then the issue is more likely related to your account credentials, a temporary account lock, or even a Steam server outage. That means you may need to reset your password, wait for the lock to clear, or check Steam status again later. So to recap, if you get a Steam login error, first check Steam server status, then disable any VPN, flush your DNS, reset Steam with the Flushconfig command, remove the config folder if needed, and finally test login in a browser to isolate the problem. These steps solve most Steam login issues without needing complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.